Well, here it is. The final video of the build for this typewriter, which you can imagine I'm pretty excited about. I'm gonna knock out bag 11, it's the final bag. Here's what's kind of going on with me for the next little bit. I have a trip out of state planned, so that's going to be the first week in July, so I'm gonna be out then. Not gonna be doing any builds or videos of any kind, most likely. And then after that, I'm gonna get back into it with, I think I'm gonna do a bunch of the little brickheads sets that I got, and then I'm gonna tackle the A-frame cabin. That's gonna be next. So what sets do you have in your queue that you're building next? What's the next one for you? Let me know. But other than that, let's get into the final 11th bag of this typewriter. Finally done, folks. This is it. This is the LEGO typewriter, and let me tell you, this thing was a pain in the butt up until the very end. All the way up until putting this here piece of paper in, it was a pain in the butt. What I will say is it turned out really cool. It is super neat. I love it so much. I mean, just the way it looks, it's gonna look great on my shelf over there. Here's what I'm gonna do. So I'm done with it. I'm done with it. I'm gonna move on. We got something else coming up, right? I already told you I'm gonna do some probably brick heads and then bust out the A-frame cabin. The next video that I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna actually review this thing in depth. Tell you what I like, tell you what I didn't like, what I wish they would have done better. But yeah, if you've built this and you've felt some of my pain, let me know what you liked and didn't like. Other than that, if you got any questions, you wanna chat, as always, I'll leave links. Hit me up on my socials and I will chat with you then. Up until next time, next video, I'm doing the review on this thing. Give it my score and everything. So I'll see you then. Peace.